Did you know that Miami, Florida boasts the largest cruise ship port in the world, earning it the nickname Cruise Capital of the World? Or that it has the largest collection of Art Deco-style architecture? Or that Miami is the only major U.S. city founded by a woman, Julia Tuttle, who is known as the Mother of Miami? Welcome to Stunning Sightseeing. Today we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through Miami, Florida, a city that's vibrant, culturally rich, and bursting with life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Miami is a city that never fails to amaze. With its beautiful beaches, thriving art scene, and diverse cultural landscape, there's something for everyone. Known for its warm climate, stunning architecture, and vibrant nightlife, Miami is a top travel destination. Whether you're here to soak up the sun, explore historical landmarks, or indulge in world-class dining and shopping, Miami promises an unforgettable experience. One of Miami's most iconic spots is South Beach. This famous beach is known for its lively atmosphere, stunning Art Deco architecture, and vibrant nightlife. The white sandy beaches and clear blue waters make it a perfect place to relax, swim, or enjoy water sports. As the sun sets, South Beach transforms into a nightlife hub with its buzzing clubs, bars, and restaurants. If you're traveling with family or prefer a quieter beach experience, Crandon Park Beach on Key Biscayne is a great choice. This beach is known for its calm waters, making it ideal for swimming and picnicking. With plenty of amenities like picnic areas, a golf course, and nature trails, it's a perfect spot for a family day out. Additionally, the nearby Miami Seaquarium offers marine life shows and exhibits, providing an entertaining and educational experience for all ages. There, you can see dolphins, sea lions, and even interact with some of the animals. It's an educational and entertaining experience, and the Seaquarium also offers unique experiences like swimming with dolphins and meeting penguins, making it a memorable visit for kids and adults alike. Moving on, art and culture enthusiasts will find plenty to explore in Miami. The Vizcaya Museum and Gardens is an essential stop. This historic estate features stunning European-style architecture and beautifully landscaped gardens. Walking through the Vizcaya is like stepping back in time to the Italian Renaissance, with its grand halls, intricate details, and lush greenery. The museum also hosts various events and exhibitions throughout the year, adding to its cultural allure. Another cultural gem is the Perez Art Museum Miami, PAMM. This contemporary art museum hosts innovative exhibitions that reflect Miami's diverse community and its global connections. The museum's striking building itself is a work of art, designed to blend seamlessly with its waterfront surroundings. The outdoor sculpture garden and the museum's restaurant with bay views make PAMM a comprehensive cultural experience. For a dose of vibrant street art, head to Wynwood Walls. This open-air museum features huge murals by some of the world's most renowned street artists. Each wall is a canvas, showcasing a variety of styles and themes that reflect the creativity and diversity of Miami's art scene. The surrounding Wynwood neighborhood is also filled with galleries, boutiques, and cafes, making it a great area to explore. Shopping and dining in Miami is an experience in itself. Lincoln Road Mall, a pedestrian street in South Beach, is lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. It's a great place to stroll, shop, and people watch. From high-end boutiques to unique local shops, you'll find plenty to explore. The outdoor mall also hosts farmers markets, antique shows, and live performances, adding to its vibrant atmosphere. Bayside Marketplace in downtown Miami offers a variety of shops, eateries, and live entertainment by the waterfront. It's a vibrant spot to enjoy some shopping, dine with a view of the bay, or take a boat tour to see the city from the water. Boat tours from Bayside can take you around Star Island, known for its celebrity homes, and provide a unique perspective of Miami's skyline. For an authentic taste of Cuban culture, visit Little Havana. This lively neighborhood is the heart of Miami's Cuban community. Stroll down Calle Ocho, where you can enjoy live music, street art, and delicious Cuban cuisine. Be sure to stop by a local cafe for a traditional Cuban coffee and explore the many cultural landmarks. Little Havana also hosts the annual Calle Ocho Festival, the largest Hispanic street festival in the country, which celebrates Latin American culture with music, dancing, and food. Little Haiti offers a glimpse into the Haitian culture with its vibrant art, music, and cuisine. The Little Haiti Cultural Complex is a focal point showcasing Haitian art and hosting cultural events. Outdoor enthusiasts will love exploring the natural beauty around Miami. Everglades National Park, just a short drive away, is a unique ecosystem home to alligators, manatees, and a variety of bird species. Taking an airboat tour through the Everglades is a thrilling way to see this unique landscape up close. You can also explore the park on foot, by bike, or even by kayak, offering multiple ways to experience its diverse wildlife and habitats. For a unique experience, visit Jungle Island, a zoological park with exotic animals and shows. It's a fun and educational outing for the whole family. You can see everything from lemurs and parrots to big cats and alligators. The park also offers thrilling experiences like zip-lining and escape rooms, adding to its appeal. Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden is another beautiful spot to explore. This 83-acre garden features a stunning collection of tropical plants, including rare and endangered species. It's a serene place to stroll and enjoy nature. The garden also hosts events and festivals, such as the International Mango Festival, celebrating the diversity of tropical fruits. The Coral Castle is another fascinating attraction. Built by one man over 28 years, this engineering marvel is made entirely of coral rock. The mystery behind its construction adds to its allure, making it a must-see for visitors. The castle features unique stone structures, including a sundial, a stone table shaped like Florida, and rocking chairs made of stone. For those who love the water, Miami offers a variety of water sports. Try jet skiing, paddleboarding, or parasailing on Biscayne Bay. The warm waters and beautiful scenery make it a perfect place for adventure. You can also rent a yacht or take a sailing lesson to explore the bay at your own pace. Golf enthusiasts can enjoy a round at one of Miami's many golf courses, like the Miami Beach Golf Club. With its stunning views and challenging holes, it's a great place to spend a day on the greens. The Trump National Doral Miami, another renowned golf resort, offers world-class courses and luxurious amenities. To cool off, the Venetian Pool in Coral Gables is a historic public swimming pool filled with spring water from an underground aquifer. Surrounded by beautiful architecture and lush vegetation, it's a perfect spot to cool off and relax. The pool's waterfalls, grottos, and bridges add to its charm, making it a unique swimming experience. Bayfront Park is another great outdoor spot, offering beautiful waterfront views, green spaces, and regular events and concerts. It's a perfect place to relax, take a walk, or enjoy a picnic. The park also features the Bayfront Park Amphitheater, which hosts concerts and cultural events throughout the year, and the iconic Torch of Friendship Monument, symbolizing Miami's multicultural heritage. Miami's nightlife is well known, and there's no shortage of places to experience it. Ocean Drive in South Beach is known for its bustling nightlife, iconic hotels, and vibrant clubs. Whether you're looking for a chic rooftop bar, a lively nightclub, or a cozy jazz lounge, you'll find it here. The street's neon lights and lively atmosphere make it a frequent spot for night owls. Brickell, Miami's financial district, is another trendy area with upscale bars, restaurants, and lounges. It's a great place to enjoy a sophisticated night out with plenty of options for fine dining and cocktails. Brickell City Center, a mixed-use development, offers luxury shopping, dining, and entertainment options, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. History buffs and those interested in educational experiences will find plenty to explore in Miami. The Freedom Tower, a historic landmark, now serves as a museum and cultural center. It has played a significant role in the lives of Cuban immigrants and is a symbol of freedom and democracy. The tower's exhibitions focus on Cuban American culture and the history of immigration to Miami. For those interested in history and architecture, the Venetian Causeway offers beautiful views of the bay and connects the Venetian islands to Miami Beach. It's a scenic route that's perfect for a leisurely drive or bike ride. The causeway's historic bridges and the surrounding waters create a picturesque setting. The HistoryMiami Museum offers exhibits on South Florida's history and culture. From prehistoric artifacts to contemporary art, the museum provides a comprehensive look at the region's rich history. The museum also offers walking tours of historic neighborhoods, providing deeper insights into Miami's past. For a fun and educational experience, the Phillip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science is a fantastic destination. Located in downtown Miami, this state-of-the-art museum features interactive exhibits, a planetarium, and an aquarium. It's a great place to learn about science and technology in an engaging and hands-on environment. The museum's rooftop observation deck offers stunning views of the city and Biscayne Bay. Additionally, the Adrienne Arsht Center for the Performing Arts offers a range of cultural performances, from Broadway shows to ballet and opera. It's a cultural hub that brings world-class performances to Miami, making it worth it to visit for those who appreciate the performing arts. The center's beautiful architecture and state-of-the-art facilities enhance the overall experience. Sports fans will find plenty to cheer about in Miami. Catch a Miami Heat game at the Kaseya Center, formerly known as the FTX Arena. The energy and excitement of a live basketball game are unmatched. The arena also hosts concerts and other major events, making it a central hub for entertainment in the city. If baseball is more your speed, head to LoanDepot Park to see the Miami Marlins in action. The stadium's retractable roof ensures a comfortable experience regardless of the weather. Miami is also home to several annual festivals and events that attract visitors from around the world. Art Basel Miami Beach is one of the most prestigious art fairs, showcasing works from international artists and galleries. It's perfect for art lovers, with exhibitions, installations, and performances spread across the city. The Coconut Grove Arts Festival celebrates visual, culinary, and performing arts. Set in the charming Coconut Grove neighborhood, this festival offers a wonderful mix of art, food, and live entertainment. The festival features works by hundreds of artists, along with cooking demonstrations, live music, and family-friendly activities. Coconut Grove itself is Miami's oldest continuously inhabited neighborhood and offers a bohemian atmosphere with its tree-lined streets, outdoor cafes, and waterfront parks. The neighborhood's relaxed vibe and eclectic mix of shops and restaurants make it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. If you like boats, the Miami International Boat Show is another major event drawing boating enthusiasts from all over. It's a fantastic opportunity to see the latest in marine technology and luxury yachts. The show features hundreds of boats on display, from small vessels to super yachts, and offers demonstrations, seminars, and opportunities to test drive boats. The Miami Design District is another spot to see, known for its sleek, modern architecture, excellent interior design stores, and art galleries. It's a great place to explore contemporary design and fashion. The district also hosts events, exhibitions, and public art installations, making it a dynamic cultural destination. When it comes to accommodation, Miami offers a wide range of options. From luxurious beachfront resorts to charming boutique hotels, there's something to suit every taste and budget. Miami Beach hotels, in particular, offer stunning ocean views and easy access to the city's top attractions. For a more secluded stay, consider one of the luxury hotels on the Venetian Islands, which provide a peaceful retreat with beautiful views of Biscayne Bay. In particular, San Marino Island and Rivo Alto Island offer upscale residential areas with beautiful waterfront views and a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The islands are connected by the Venetian Causeway, which provides a scenic route for walking, biking, or driving. Nearby, Fort Lauderdale is another great option for those looking to explore beyond Miami. Known for its boating canals and stunning beaches, Fort Lauderdale offers a more relaxed atmosphere while still providing plenty of activities and attractions. The city's Riverwalk Arts and Entertainment District, featuring museums, theaters, and restaurants along the New River, is a highlight. Back to Miami, the neighborhoods each have their own unique charm and character. Doral, for example, is known for its excellent golf courses and luxury shopping. City Place Doral offers a mix of retail, dining, and entertainment options in a walkable, open-air setting. Hialeah, on the other hand, offers a glimpse into Miami's Cuban culture with its vibrant community and delicious cuisine. The Leah Arts District in Hialeah showcases local art and hosts cultural events, adding to the neighborhood's appeal. Miami is a city of contrasts where modern skyscrapers stand next to historic landmarks and diverse cultures blend seamlessly. Whether you're exploring the trendy streets of Wynwood, the charming lanes of Coconut Grove, or the vibrant neighborhoods of Little Haiti and Little Havana, you'll find a city that's full of surprises and delights. If you enjoyed this virtual tour of Miami and want to see more stunning travel destinations, make sure to check out our other videos on stunning sightseeing. From tropical paradises to bustling metropolises, we bring you the most beautiful and breathtaking places around the world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.